5150, crazy strong, crazy bright. So 5150 is probably the most popular accessory, lighting accessory that we use here at Side by Side Fury. What separates this company from other ones, like NOCO, is that they back up their products significantly better. So 100% lifetime warranty. I've seen people break these in all kinds of ways. Whoops, I didn't realize they were still on there. I pulled it into the garage. Didn't realize how low that branch was. They have an awesome warranty, easy to fill out. Send them your whip. They try to repair it. If they can't, they're gonna send you a new one. So really cool company there. Tons of different options when it comes to lighting accessories. You can see behind me, I have the 187 whips. I have 1-footers and 2-footers. Then I also have 5150 rock lights. We've talked Fangs in the past, but all of those are gonna be a 187. So really they're 187s, which they also have a chalk line. So if you like the white accents, everything goes into magnetic bases. Chalk lines have white bases, but super easy in and out there. But the 187s actually have a module. So this module has to be mounted. It is a 3-wire, but this is what your phone or app is actually communicating with. So that's a little bit different, say, than a remote setting. So remote, or a Bluetooth setting where the module is actually built into the base of the whip. So 3 different kinds of styles of that, but like the 187s, the Fangs, the eyebrows, so Can-Am X3 eyebrows, since they don't have fangs like my razor, or a mustache for the Pro XP guys, Pro R guys. This one's for you instead of those fangs. But all of those are a 187 module. When it comes to rock lights, my rock lights are 187s. They're the original rock lights. Then they also have the 2.0s that come in different sizes. You can see that baby puts out a lot of light. So what I say, crazy strong, crazy bright. 5150 in a nutshell, fantastic company. They back up their work. We install them all the time. Click the link below to get yours today.